Hello everyone, welcome to the Reehatkitchen. Hope you all are good. Today's recipe is mutton biryani. Here I am showing you all my recipe on mutton biryani. This is really simple to make and delicious in taste. Let's start. Step 1. Take 1 kg of mutton, add half a cup of water, 1 onion, salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Pressure cook for 10 minutes and keep aside. Step 2. Making yakhni. Add half a cup of oil in a pan. Add sliced onion in a oil and fry till the onions get golden brown in color. Now add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix them till the raw smell gone. Take half a cup of coriander leaves, 5 green chilies, 1/4 cup of mint leaves. Add them all and mix them. Now add 1 tomato slice. Mix it. Add salt as needed, 2 teaspoons of red chili, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix them all and cook it for 5 minutes. Now add cooked mutton. Mix them all. Here I am using chicken stock. This is optional. If you had, you can use or you can skip it too. Now cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Then add half a cup of yogurt, mix it and leave it for 10 minutes in low flame. Step 3. Cooking the rice. Now in a water add 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamom, 4 cloves, 2 green chili, 1 mace, 1 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick and salt as needed. Boil the water. Once the water starts boiling, add 3 glasses of soaked rice. I had already soaked the rice for half an hour. Boil the rice till 60% cooked and strain it. Take the oil from the yakhni and start layering. In the topmost layer, add oil that you taken from the yakhni and cover the lid. Leave it for 10 minutes in low flame. After 10 minutes, take it out. The delicious mutton biryani is ready. Hope you all like it. Do try this recipe at home and send your feedbacks in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.